Hello everyone, welcome back. Doing a quick silver review today. I know it's a few days after the fact, but this little baby turned up a day after VE Day celebrations back on the 8th. So today, I'm going to go through, have a quick look at the 50p silver proof celebrating VE Day. It's a nice little box as usual sort of quality you'd expect from the Mint. So let's have a quick look. I'm going to go through the actual coin itself in a minute. Now, you get the usual little booklet. There's a fair few pages. Now, what I normally do is flick through, let you have a quick look, and it's entirely up to you if you want to pause the video and have a read. But there's quite a bit there. So I won't dawdle too long with the actual book. Just a fair sort of bit of information, some great old photos, VE Day itself, there's Churchill, the King and the Queen, later to become the Queen Mum. And then there's a little bit about VJ Day, which we've still got yet to come. That's going to be in another few months. But again, that'll be the 80th anniversary of that side of World War II ending as well, which brings the whole battle basically to a complete end. So, 1995, as it says there, they struck a £2 coin to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the end of the Second World War with a dove of peace. So, that coin is this one. Now, remember that design, unless you've already seen this being done elsewhere, but you'll know what's coming. So what you've got around the edge of the old £2 coin from 1995 is in peace, goodwill. And then you've got 1995. So obviously should be preceded by 1945, in peace, goodwill. So that's that one there. Had the Queen on it, and if you notice, I'm not aware of it, but other than the edge markings, there is no date. It's an undated coin. There we go. So bear that image in mind, that design. I'll park that just there. So onto the coin itself. Usual sleek black case from the Mint. We will skip the coin for a second onto the actual paperwork. Now, with this one, they, I believe, minted about 6,060, something like that in total. But in this particular presentation, it was only 5,000. So, although that's those specs are there on screen, I'll put them up on top of the screen in a sec from the Royal Mint website so you can read them a bit better, because silver on that color background is not easy to read. It might come out all right on the screen, but for me on the camera, it's a nightmare. But as you can see, this one is number 2832 of 5,000. So I'm quite chuffed that I managed to get one anyway. It's not just that it's silver. I like silver. If you know me, I'm starting to get really into it. But it's to do with the Second World War and military history, World War II, World War I, that sort of thing. I've got a big interest in. So wartime coins, always favoured. So there we go. In peace, goodwill, and a picture of a dove. Just like that one. It is actually the same designer, a chap called John Mills. So they've literally lifted from the £2 coin, put it onto this one, and even retained the edge markings of in peace, goodwill. But obviously with this one, got VE Day 8 May 1945. So this one is dated, because on the front you've got the King with 2025. As you can see, frosted finish, so it's a proof finish. I do like these coins. They're a lot of money for what they are, but they are really, really nice. So, like I say, you've got your 1995, and then you've got your 2025. 50 years and 80 years. Who knows, another 20 years, they might bring out another one for 100 years, like they did with the First World War. Just a quick video, really, just to showcase this new coin. It is out there, it is available, I believe, still with the Royal Mint, even though they say there's only about 5,000 or 6,000 in total. It's worth, if you're interested, trying to get hold of one. If you're in, especially if you're into the Second World War stuff anyway, or even if it's just silver or just 50p's. Just basking in its reflectiveness there. So there you go. Very nice little coin. One more for my little collection. We can put the paperwork away. So just to put the details across the top of the screen again for you, you got 6,060 maximum mintage. It's 0.925, so it's 92.5% silver. It's not 999 like you get with bullion. It's 8 grams in weight, 27.3 mil across, so same standard specs as a 50p. Reverse designer John Mills, not the actor, who says some of you youngsters. Obverse designer Martin Jennings, well, that's a given. Proof quality 2025 in silver. So there you go. Like I say, just a quick one. Have a quick look at the coin. And this one is going to get stashed away for a while. I might put it out on display on my little cabinet I've got. But I'm the only one that really sees them. No one else comes in this room. Everyone else is banned. I've just got too many coins lying around. Someone's only got to nudge the desk and I'm going to have a stack of coins go over. But there you go. Side by side with its predecessor. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Like I say, just a quick review of the new coin. If you enjoyed it, please consider a like and a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Above all, maybe subscribe. That'd be absolutely superb. If you're new to my stuff, welcome. I've got plenty on the channel for you to watch. Playlists for 50p hunts, world coin hunts, silver like this, silver bullion, and £5 coins, and many, many other types of video. So have a look at the playlists, have a look at the main list itself, see what's out there. If anything's of interest, give it a watch. And again, maybe leave a comment or a like. Anyway, that's me for now, folks. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Cheers all.